Basically, the meeting was a follow-up to our Chief Minister's visit to Koduban Jetty yesterday. He has directed certain things to be what do I say, done, implemented. And in order to put it in action, we have met today. We have met basically to do preliminary groundwork, to know what is the situation, to know how much land is of the Komla, how much land is of the Fisheries Department. Basically to do sort of a study of the ground reality. We have found that land is there, land was acquired by the Fisheries Department, something like 35,000 square meters. We have found that JSIDC has constructed a new jetty. They say it is not inaugurated, but with the same breath they say it is also partly in use. So whether an inauguration is really a justification or what, I do not know. They also say that GSIDC is saying that that the structure is not suitable to carry that much of load. So we have asked GSIDC to submit the plans. I have requested PWD because you see I am told GSIDC after handing over is responsible for the structure of the jetty for 3 years. Three years have passed, and so I think since they have handed over to the fisheries, we'll have to see whether PWD has to play the future. So we've also requested PWD to study the prospects of laying a pipeline. The situation, because providing as of today, the fisher folk are getting water brought in tankers, whilst we would like to see we can provide municipal water. Having said that, we do not want the water to be a nuisance. The additional, it is going to be the responsibility of the boat owners to provide facilities to using of toilets, to ensure that their workers use that. We have decided that fisheries with the health department, to ensure that those the workers are also registered with the police. So all these things we're trying to put in place, and I'm sure we will succeed. Except that we require time. For example, as far as vis-a-vis toilets, there is a proposal that we should have a 50-seater Sulab toilet built there. That will take a little time. So we are toying with the idea to see whether we can get in temporary toilets, which would be serviced, would be cleaned on a daily basis. So we have ideas, we will put them in place. Only thing is, we require a little time for that.
So altogether, how many toilets are there?
As of today, there are about 13 toilets.
13 for 300 people, workers?
That is why we are proposing additional toilets.
So why it was not done earlier?
Why it was not done earlier? You see, there are many things we have not done. We have now realized the problems. We have realized the situation, and that is why we are proposing immediately.
Fisheries Department was found wanting in many of these cities.
Yes.
I will not say that.
Who is responsible for all
Who is
these
responsible for
deficiencies? The glaring deficiencies that have come to the fore.
The efficiencies, yes and no, but you see, we are one government, and we, recognizing the situation, we have resolved that we will settle these issues immediately.
No, but why the meeting took place now when the meeting had to be taken place before, so that at least you could have saved these lives and all, which could have not happened.
See, as far as the lives are concerned, there are 2-3 issues. Issue number one, in the first place, it is sad that 5 people died. But the issue is primarily the conditions under which they live on the vessel itself. That is why our Chief Minister has very categorically stated yesterday that the conditions of the labor. I think we'll put a system in place.
Even this Sulab or the sanitation facility.
If I've got to go and pay 15 rupees, 15 rupees is a substantial amount.
So one more thing we would like to ask you is that you went to the site, CM went to the site. Why your concerned fisheries minister is not going to the site? Because it's part of the fisheries department.
Fisheries minister, I think, has just returned.
So for the last, since the time, what the locals are saying,
Fact is,
don't you think he had
one
to
second,
go?
One second, not necessarily.
Not necessarily?
Not necessarily. The fact is that the associations themselves are saying that they are interacting with the minister. So, as long as their issues are being, whatever issues they are raising are being taken up by the ministry, seen, because we.
So there tomorrow, like there is a private.
1 second. To the best of my knowledge, the minister yesterday.
Director,
One day, all this.
what was the reason for the fisheries director to be suspended and
I think
suddenly?
She's not suspended.
Transferred. Sorry,
Because,
transferred.
because you see, as member secretary pollution board, she has got a lot of responsibility there to reduce her load. During the off season, this parking
So
fees
there are-
will not apply.
No, let us assume that there are 44 vessels lying there. Some of them are totally scrapped. So,
No, so what we have decided is that we are going to issue a notice to the 44 owners, remove your vessel,
okay.
or we will scrap them. We will get a surveyor to evaluate the value of the boat and we will auction them.
And what about this fine now? 1 lakh fine for whom?
One for all those 44 vessels that are parked there.
Okay, now you will collect it on a monthly basis or you will wait up for a year?
We will collect immediately.
Sir, this
Immediately we'll collect. This is my promise to you.
Otherwise, for them keeping there, it is.
sir, issuing notices.
So you're
will
answering
start
as a
now
fisheries
for
minister,
this
what-
scrap vehicle.
You're answering as a
vessels.
fisheries minister or environment minister all this, because these are fisheries ministers.
No, you
Or
see,
captain of ports.
You see, environment is a vast subject. So under the scope of environment, everything can come.
Ah.
But I'm not answering as a fisheries minister. I've only been given a responsibility by the Honorable Chief Minister. And to carry forward commitments that he has made yesterday, I have come to push it forward.
I think your environment ministry also cannot escape blame for this, because they have to give the sanction.
No. The pollution board that they should conduct an inspection today, check up whether they have got effluent treatment plants or an STP or what it is, and maybe after that I will tell you.
As far as the toilets issue is concerned, the concerned MLA had raised an issue saying that sensor for the toilets are there.
Sanitation,
No,
hygiene,
sanitation is okay, but you see, you are saying that just because of that, you tell me, health department has been providing these kits before the death.
No.
Before the death.
No.
Once the outbreak started, they started giving the kits. But
What went wrong then?
nothing went wrong.
Because
Certain
of
things
that.
take time. For example,
No,
now,
just because
for
of
example,
that.
I'm talking about laying the pipeline.
So,
I'm telling you the pipeline cannot be done overnight. I've said that we have proposed that.
So, everything was-
1 second. The department has proposed a 50-seater toilet. If you can build it overnight.